Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another ContentBot video. So today I thought I would show you the long form article generator or long form editor. Now before I start, I would like to say that I'll leave my affiliate link for ContentBot in the description of this video, and if after watching this video you're interested in trying it out for yourself, I would highly appreciate it if you could use my affiliate link. That would really help to support the channel. Anyway, long form editor. Now before I start, I would like to say that these long form editors, I've tried all of them with all of these AI writers. You cannot expect it to be able to write out a full article or full blog perfectly that you can just paste. I actually find that when I try to use these long form editors, I usually find that I would prefer just to generate smaller chunks like on my own. Because I find that what happens is you end up with something that in the end you have to edit quite a lot anyway, and I sometimes wonder if it's actually faster if I was to, basically generate smaller portions as I go along writing an article. Okay, so step one. So first of all, I'll say I really like the user interface. It looks really nice. It looks like a really premium tool, right? And it says step one, describe the content that you want to create. This is the most important step. Okay, so this article will be about... Okay, so what we're going to write an article about. Okay, how to start a successful YouTube channel. I definitely need that. In this article, we will go over all the steps a new YouTuber needs to go through in order to grow their YouTube channel and make money. Okay, I think that's good. Let's just make sure we haven't got any spelling errors here. Okay, so we're going to start with that. Now you can obviously type in your own title, or you can just go to give me ideas. Let's go to give me ideas, see what it comes up with. 12 steps for starting a successful YouTube channel. I quite like that. Step-by-step guide to make money on YouTube. Not bad. What is the perfect time to publish YouTube videos? Blah, blah, blah. That's too long, and it's not, I don't think that would really attract people, right, to click into an article. How to start a successful YouTube channel. How to start a successful YouTube channel. I quite like 12 steps for starting a successful YouTube channel. I think that's good. I'm pretty happy with that, actually. Paragraph introduction. So I've found with this one that usually I end up having to write the introduction myself. I'm quite choosy when it comes to article intros, because that will be basically the make or break part of your article. Okay, in this blog I'll be going over 12 steps for starting a successful YouTube channel. Create a channel name, consider a logo, think of a slogan. So very often this is the issue that I have with this long form editor, that it says it's an introduction, but it will very often answer the question in the article all in one go, right? Which is not really what I would like in an introduction. Steps to creating a successful YouTube channel. Create a video that is, see again, it's just basically saying it's answering everything. I don't want it to answer everything. So this is why usually I find I have to write an introduction, because I am very picky, and I find the introductions often are not that on point. Or certainly I have to regenerate a lot, right? Steps for starting a successful YouTube channel. See again, it's just basically going through everything. Come on. Let's see if we can find one. No. Pick a niche. First and foremost, you need to decide on what niche to go with. Now you see again, it's not an introduction. It's basically just answering the entire thing. Come on. Hello, we're excited you're interested in starting a YouTube channel. The process of starting a channel has never been easier. First start by, and it's like going to go through everything. I've been a YouTube creator for over 5 years now. To date, I've accumulated over 250,000 subscribers to my channel, and my content has been viewed over 100 million times. One of the most commonly asked questions I get is, how can I start my own YouTube channel? Well, here is the 12 steps. Okay, I'm going to use that, but I imagine I'll have to take out, here it says step 1, you see. So I would basically only use half of that, but I'm going to choose that. That's by far the best one I could find. Blog outline. So again, we can either write in our own outline or we can ask for ideas. And let's see what it comes up with, if it can maybe come up with anything. If you can hear any noise in the background, there's quite a lot of construction that is going on at the moment around where I live, so apologies for that. 12 steps. Okay, we've got 9 steps here. Choose a channel name, choose a channel art, choose a channel layout, choose your logo, choose your thumbnails, choose the color scheme. There's a lot of choosing that's going on. Okay, how to start a YouTube channel. Pick an appropriate name for your channel, make great thumbnails, get the right equipment, pick the right software, do your research. This one is not bad. What you will need. Initial planning and stuff. I do quite like this one. Okay, we're going to go with this one. Okay, so section 1, write your own paragraph for this section. Okay, so this one is about how to start a YouTube channel. Okay, so give me ideas. I have a feeling it's going to answer everything again. Let's see though. I might be wrong. How to start a YouTube. Okay, so how to. Okay, you have a YouTube channel idea and the camera's charged. So how do you start? YouTube is a growing industry and a perfect way to show your creativity to a large audience, making money from advertising and subscribers. When it comes to starting a YouTube channel, there are a few key things to do first. Get a camera, choose a name for your channel. As a blogger and YouTuber, one of the most frequently asked questions is, how do I start your channel? I put together, okay. Hello, my name is, The first one was not too bad, but I would definitely need to edit it quite a lot. But let's see if I can find something a bit better by regenerating. Some people might think that they need a lot of fancy equipment and a lot of editing simply to make a YouTube video. This couldn't be further from the truth. YouTube is very forgiving in the realm of filming, and it's been this way for years. In fact, before YouTube, most video content was live streamed, and the only editing that could be done was cropping the video to fit a TV screen. Okay. A new and popular way of connecting and sharing knowledge on the internet is on YouTube. Bloggers and YouTubers alike find joy in sharing their knowledge using video, which makes it easier for their followers to watch. They are able to answer questions in a way that is easy to understand, and it can be a great source of income for these creators. YouTube is one of the most popular websites on the planet, and the site attracts over 1 billion visitors every month. But what if you wanted to share something specific on YouTube? A common strategy is to create a YouTube channel, which all of your content will be devoted to. You can create a YouTube channel with just about anything, but some popular subjects are cooking, parenting. How do you go about saying? Okay, we're going to go with this one, but again, I will have to edit it a lot later. Okay, so this is another section. Make great thumbnails for your videos. Make great thumbnails. A thumbnail is a graphic that appears on a video page representing what is shown in the video. It can either be a still image from the video or a placeholder graphic. There are a few ways to make a successful thumbnail for your video. Use a still from the video, a screenshot from the video, create a custom graphic, no thumbnail. Okay, I'm going to generate some more ideas here. See what else I can come up with. That first one was not too bad, was it? The first one? The second one was not too bad, but yeah. Okay, make great thumbnails for your videos. When creating a YouTube channel, we often worry about the video title and the thumbnail. The thumbnail is what attracts your audience and catches their eyes. It has to be eye-catching and professional in order to grab viewers' attention. With the right thumbnail, you can catch your viewers' attention and reel them into clicking to watch your video. You want them to see what you really stand for. The thumbnail should be eye-catching and professional. Follow the 12 steps and another 12 steps. Make videos. Okay, I'm going to go with this one. It's okay. It's not bad. Again, you would need to edit it a lot. Section 3. This is get the right equipment. Again, we're going to ask for ideas. I think as well, this is why I quite like something like Shortly AI. If I'm going to write long form, I quite like something like Shortly AI, which is more based around an editor where you can write a little bit and ask the AI then like to write. It's like augmenting human writing rather than asking it to come up with everything itself. I find that at the moment with the current state of GTP3, I find that as the preferred option. I do have a video on my channel about Shortly AI as well. Feel free to watch that one. Get the right equipment. Okay. Good camera, good microphone. Okay, you know what? I'm going to get more ideas. I can see already that's not exactly what I want. I suppose as well that you have to be very careful. I mean, I've obviously done this very fast, but it's very important that you choose the blog outline, the headings very carefully, because that will be what will help the AI, right, to better create the sections. Okay. First off, you need the right equipment. Good lighting and camera equipment can create a more professional and enjoyable viewing experience for your viewers. You also need to make sure you have a good audio recording equipment and a professional microphone. Second, make sure your internet connection is fine. Okay, that's actually not bad. I'm going to go for that. Not bad. I think we're quite near the end now. We are at the end. So, it came up with something. Not perfect. You would have to edit this quite a lot yourself. It doesn't really go through all of the titles. It only will go through like the first few sections. Yeah. So, you're able to come up with something as like a basis of an article, but I would never ever use this as is. But like I said, for some reason, I find that it's usually better if I was to do the process myself. So using the other templates to generate things bit by bit. When I use the long form editor, I feel that I then have to go in and edit, fairly heavily. Anyway, I mean, I would recommend that you try both approaches and see what is best for you. You can see that in ContentBot, they do have this write for me button. So you could do the approach. So you can see right at the bottom here it says monetizing your channel. So you could then like type in, start typing. There are several ways to monetize a new YouTube channel, right? I kind of need to make that as normal paragraph. Ooh, is it? I thought it was writing. Yes, it is. There are several ways to monetize a YouTube channel. Okay, I don't know what happened there because I didn't really ask it to start writing. Anyway, let's try that again. I feel like it was a bit funny. Oh, I was just trying to change this from a headline into a paragraph. Anyway, let's click write for me and see what it comes up. See what it comes up with. There are several ways to monetize a new YouTube channel, but before you start advertising products or services, one, start by finding a good camera. Okay, that's a bit funny. So I believe this one is to redo. So if you're not happy, you can click this button and redo it. Anyway, so I don't want this video to be really long. I would say that if you are mainly trying to write long form articles like this, I would either use the templates and do it individually. So I would simply use the blog intro. So I would just use this first. Well, first I would come up with use the blog topic idea template, and then basically from that you can use the outline template and make sure that the outline, that you're obviously augmenting that you're helping like to make a really good outline, right? And then from there I would take the headlines from each of those and I would use that to make a blog intro, or like a paragraph for each one. I find that works way better. Or my other alternative is to use Shortly AI. And again, I have videos on this channel that are showing using Shortly AI. And then that one is more like a text editor where you can ask it to write for you. I find that one also works really well if you are writing some kind of longer form content. Anyway, this video ended up being quite long, didn't it? So if you stayed right until the end, you are the true OG, okay? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.